Welcome back, guys. Today we are installing our new Haloview backup camera. We've been waiting a long time to install one of these. We've kind of waited because a lot of the previous backup cameras that I've seen reviews on, all that sort of stuff, couldn't really send a good image from the back of the trailer all the way up to the truck, especially with the larger fifth wheel. But this new Haloview backup camera has taken care of that with the antenna extender. So we're going to go ahead and get this installed. It's going to be great because it'll help us know as we're backing up, but also we'll be able to see as we go down the road. And it'll help a little bit as Kara guides me in places. So that's always a positive. This is the Haloview MC5111. It has a 2.4 gigahertz digital 720p 5-inch LCD wireless monitor. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to get some of the pre-assembly stuff out of the way before we get out on the rig. One of the things that we need to do with the camera, I didn't want to drill any holes into my trailer, as we all try to avoid doing that. A lot of the newer trailers come pre-wired for a backup camera if they don't already have one installed. My older trailer here did not come pre-wired. So it came with a mount that you could do it on the license plate, but I put it there and I don't think it looks quite right, and it's not going to give me the point of view that I'd like. So we're going to do it up at the top, and instead of drilling a hole into the top of the trailer, we are going to just pull one of the running lights and build a bracket to mount the camera to that bracket. We have 4 other running lights up there, so we still have plenty of running lights for people to be able to see us at night. And this should give us a way of doing this whole thing without having to drill any holes in the trailer. The signal amplifier is magnetic, so I won't have to drill any holes to mount that to my roof either. So there's another positive. So come along as we get this all mounted up. So upon looking at it, I decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this center light, and by doing that, I should be able to make a bracket and not have to drill any holes in my trailer. I'll still have lots of running lights, so it shouldn't be a problem. I was able to get the running light off. Now I just need to make a metal bracket the same size. That way I can mount the camera to it. We have the cover for an electrical box, so it already will have the hole to punch out. That way I'll just line up the light right over it, and now to trace on, as close as I can at least, the shape to cut it out. On the mounting plate for the camera, I drilled in holes between the upper and the bottom holes. That way the camera mounted in the center instead of being up too high or too low. So we got it all ready to wire back in. So I'm just going to go ahead and wire up to the existing wires coming out from where the running light used to be. The next thing I need to do is install the extender for the antenna. I'm up here on the roof to put on the extra antenna. That way I can get a better reception in the truck with the backup camera. I'm just trying to find some more metal to hook onto, but I'm not having a great time doing that. So what I might do is just get a piece of metal and glue it down or stick it down to the roof and then stick the antenna to it.
So we are continuing on our quest to get this Haloview set up. I'm here in the truck. We've got everything hooked up to it. I've got my monitor here that we are syncing up to, and I think we've about got it. Jesse's got all the parts put on, set up, wired, all of that. So I am just here helping him out getting this monitor synced up with our camera. All right, so you can see here, this is our monitor that we've been using, and it does have volume to it. So if I'm back there yelling at Jesse, stop, 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 he can hear me through this. So it has quite great footage that it picks up. There is Jess giving us a wave. And there is still a little bit of wiggle room with this camera as well, tipping up and down, side to side, whatever is best for maybe whatever you're towing or what you want to see, you know, behind you.
Now that I've done the dry run and I know everything's working, I'm going to go ahead and silicone around this just to make sure no water gets in and just kind of finish up. So far, been a really easy install. Haven't had to drill one hole in my trailer, and that was my ultimate goal, is doing all this without putting one single hole in the trailer. I don't know if this will work for you, but if this works for you, hopefully it helps you out.
All right, there you have it. Our Haloview is all installed successfully. It's working just as we suspected. Everything's syncing up really well. We are going to link everything below for you. More information, website, where to get this Haloview system, and maybe some other little tips in there as well for you. So thank you again for joining us today on Junk Junkies, and